So I'll be discussing this game called serious game called Spent. Spent's about discusses about people in a lower socioeconomic area usually, and making economic choices, and discussing about how low income jobs can affect parents and people choosing how to live their life. Um, so this serious game, you asked whether you wanted to accept the challenge. It goes through here uh, saying that you wouldn't need help, but then it's about to prove you wrong. So as you go along, it gives you some facts, and you have to find a job. When you find a job, then you go through, and basically, it allows you to pick jobs. It's based in America, but it also works for kids understanding in Australia. So it just allows you. You have to try and make it through the month, 30 days, and you've got a few lifelines on the side. Um, as you go on, I like it because as you go along, you choose your job. So I'd go with the let's go office job, and then it throws you some different scenarios on what you do. The other good thing is when you choose something. So when you choose something and make a decision, it tries throwing you off. So it offers you insurance. This is just a normal life reality thing, and then you pick. You got to try and make your decision, and then it will give you tips, or it'll tell you. It'll try and say something else. So yeah, it's really good like that, and I think it gives students a good chance to understand what it's like to deal with the real world, and understanding what goes on for parents day to day.